Hi, Louis in the UK. Doing a bit more sanding. I'm covered in dust. So, did a bit more here. Just trying to flatten it off. A bit more shaping on this bit and this bit. I'm getting there. So, that's where all the hard work has been, on that section there. Very difficult. And then I just did a little bit there on that section here. Oh yeah, and I wet and dried this section, ready to paint it. So yeah, still lots to do, but I actually, if I wet and dried the whole car now, I could probably paint the car. Although the end bit that I haven't finished is this section. I have started on it, and I think it's the same round over here as well. But the car is rust free now. So yeah, it's cold. Louis in the UK, beginning of December 2020. I'm going for a run, then I'm getting my kid from school. Bye.